Sekusabalele ividiyo ongokufika wase-Ethiopia egoloza ibhadi ethi yena akahambi la eSouth Africa, une-idea la eSouth Africa. Njengoba ubona nje mbukile la evidiyweni ukuthi lo wase-Ethiopia uphikisana nabantu baseNingizimu Afrika uma bemxosha. Uthi yena akahambi, ubakhombisa i-ID esefonini. Mbukile, besacotha uma uqala ungena kule channel usize ucofa u-subscribe button u-like ividiyo. Uma wenza njalo usuke uyibeka emathubeni ukuthi uma siqala ukuposta ividiyo ube ngokuqala ukubonayo. Mbukile, zibukele nansi ividiyo.
I have my right to. The salon for No, you guys too. All of us black. You guys what make understand? All of us same thing, right? Black of us. Black people.
Okay,
You leave them white, you leave them Indian. I'm chasing our oil. That thing is fair. Our taxpayer, I'm citizen. Let me show you, right? I want to show you something. Right?
We don't have to see your ID.
No, I want to show you something.
What did you arrive with your ID?
2006. 20 years I'm here.
Santos, we are not here to hear about you. We are here to tell you something. Don't tell us. We must tell you.
So you are neutralized?
No, don't tell us that thing, Baba. Don't tell us that
What
thing.
is it?
Check this thing. I'm staying in the community.
Don't tell us, Baba. We are here to tell you. Don't tell us.
We are not. We are only here to talk about the shop. We said today every shop must be closed. That's what we are saying.
Let me tell you what. I'm taxpayer. I'm citizen in the country.
You don't get what we are saying. You don't want to close. If police says you must close.
I never married. No,
You don't want to close.
You are neutralized.
You don't want to close.
You are neutralized.
okay.
You are neutralized.
No, and then I ask you because I'm
I'm down.
No,
I know everyone, even I know this man.
Now I know all of you. I'm asking the simple question.
You guys,
I'm asking the simple
the
question.
black people, right?
We said today, everyone must close.
Why?
Why he didn't close? Why he didn't close?
Doesn't matter where you come from.
It just closed now. No. Don't like
See, brother, let me tell you
police who came here to tell
let
you
me
to
tell
close
you one
now.
thing, right? If you want to kill us, kill us.
Who's going to kill you? Who's going to kill you? Who's going to kill you? Who's going to kill
All
you?
of us, you come out blade.
Who's going to kill you?
Not come out here milk. You come out blade, right?
Who's going to kill you?
If you want.
Why are you talking about killing? Why are you
If you
talking
want
about
killing,
killing?
no other thing.
Why are you talking about killing?
If you want
Why are you talking about killing? Why are you talking about killing? Why are you talking about killing? Who said you want to kill you? Who said you want to kill you? Who said that? Who said that? Because you are talking about the shop. The shop and killing, those are two different things.
I'm good. I'm just a vice me.
Why are you talking? Why?
God, you give
I
it
thought
to
you are
me.
you
God,
this
God,
guy.
Why are you talking? Why are you talking about killing?
Me, I call you. Why I call you?
You said you was going to close the show.
If you no, don't kill him time. You guys don't kill him time, right? If you want kill me, kill me. No other thing. Not come out blade. Not come out blade. If you want time, if you want, you kill me. No other. Leave it. I can't embark you. I can't embark you. I'm citizen 20 years.
Now you are not going to back you. You are talking about killing now. You are talking about killing.
This is our car.
Me too.
It's not your car.
I'm fighting.
So if you are a
Mandela give it him passport.
Mandela give you a passport.
He give it him passport. He give it him passport.
Mandela is
Maybe you
dead.
want to kill us because Mandela gave you a
My
passport.
grandfather is
You want to kill us because Mandela gave you a passport. Why are you talking about killing?
If you want to call me
Who told you about anything about killing?
If you want to do it, do it anything. No, if you want to do it, do it anything. If you want to do it, do anything.
Why you are saying that?
If you want to do it, do anything. I'm taxpayer. If you want to do anything.
Now if you want to do anything. Now if you want to do anything, it's fine. It's fine. Now
I'm with you. Do what you want, Santos. We're gone now.
I'm citizen. If you want to do anything.
Mbukile, sibonga ngokubuka kwakho ividiyo. Uma ubuke wazofika la, ungakhohlwa ukulike ucomment kwi-comment section, usitshele ukuphawula kwakho mayelana nalolu daba.